Hey guys, Josh here with Torrance Fence Company. Today we're going behind the scenes. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the process and what it looks like from when you first call us, start to finish, to when you have the outdoor patio that you've always wanted. So come with us. We're going to take a look at the showroom, meet the employees, and let's learn a little bit more about Torrance Fence Company. All right, say hi to the many faces of Torrance Fence Company when you walk into the front office, which also doubles as a preliminary showroom. We're a family-run business and we always try to reflect those values when working with clients. Our scheduling department will work around your schedule to find a day and a time for one of our project managers to visit you for a free in-home consultation. As mentioned, our front office also doubles as a preliminary showroom, showcasing some of our more popular horizontal and vertical privacy gates, as well as photos of actual client projects, so you can get a better idea of what the products might look like on your property. But let's keep it moving and take you on a quick tour through our fully dedicated showroom. All right, so when you first walk in here on the left, you'll see some semi-privacy horizontal modern fences, as well as a traditional American picket fence. We have a few different colors and materials, so you have some options to look at. Up above, we have some different patio cover options and designs, including louvered patio covers, vinyl and aluminum watertight patio covers, and different soffit designs, as well as some recessed lighting. As we continue through the showroom, you'll see our large pergola. This one is quite popular. It's mechanical. It has motorized louvers for both sun or shade. And over here we have more of an array of horizontal and vertical privacy fences, mostly vinyl with lattice as well, and some different designs to give you some inspiration for what you might be looking for. And we also have some aluminum semi-privacy fences as well. And of course, my favorite part of the showroom, we have our famous rain simulator. This is a watertight patio cover, and we encourage our clients to come in and test it out for themselves. Don't be shy, you're more than welcome to use it. Moving on, our project manager will then draw detailed proposals for your spastic projects based on your selected materials and designs. It can be as many as you'd like for your convenience, so you have options to choose from. We can also design and suggest the best options for your needs if you're not exactly sure what you're looking for. Once you sign and accept your final proposal, our office will schedule a final technician visit for your final walkthrough. Our technician will then submit your job to our fabrication department to start the fabrication process. Meanwhile, our scheduling department will then schedule the final installation. Okay, so over here we have what we call our staged jobs. These are pieces that are packaged together and ready to be shipped off to the client site. Like always, we really encourage our clients to come into the shop to see firsthand any or all parts of the process. From calling to finish, your project may take anywhere from 3 to 7 weeks, depending on the time of year that you're contacting us. In the next video, we're going to be taking you through some product testing and really test the strength of our gates. You don't want to miss it, so stay tuned.